I've woken up. बहुत ही जल्दी मैं होटल रूम में भी उठूंगा because we are going to a hotel. It's like one of the best feelings to wake up and feel like you have nothing to do and all you need to do is now check into a hotel and just chill.
दिल तो बच्चा है जी, दिल तो बच्चा है जी, दिल तो बच्चा है जी.
So I'm packing right now and I didn't realize while I was packing that मेरे जो दोनों suitcases थे वो मैंने अपने parents को दे दिए थे when they had gone to Pune. So basically I have no suitcases in the house now and obviously can't go and I have to leave now. So I have just taken some bags. मतलब कोई option ही नहीं है. Shopping bag के अंदर अपने कपड़े pack कर रहा हूँ and thankfully it's just 2 days so I don't really need to care so much. Suitcase लेना है guys, मेरे को comment में remind करना मैं suitcase लूँगा. Now I don't know why but I really feel like carrying these white kurtas, like these super plain white kurtas with me. I don't know, I just feel like wearing a plain white kurta with white linen pants and just some shoes or sandals maybe on my birthday on the 7th. Like I feel like being super comfortable. I'm just carrying it. If I feel like it, I will wear it. If I don't feel like it, I won't. मेरे birthday में मेरे को वही करना है जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ. More bags and one more bag. 2 दिन के लिए काफी लगेज है, but pack तो हो चुका है. And I'm all packed and ready to leave. Okay, I'm gonna have a quick heart to heart. Okay, guys, I'm very weird about my birthdays. I tend to cut off from people and switch off my phone. But this is actually the first time in a very long time that I've decided to do something, but still have a very chill time. So I hope it goes well and my mental health's okay and I don't feel weird. I think it's also a great time for me and Koma to just chill and get to know each other better. You can never know someone enough, right? I'm looking forward to this in a very long time. I hope it goes well. Okay, off we go.
हवाएं भीगी रंगीन फिजाएं जो आपको देखे जाए तो सीखे और अदाएं सुनिए तो.
शोर फाइनली बंद हो चुका है. We're almost there. 15 minutes away, I think. We're here and we reached. Our bags are behind. Hi.
Sir, thank you, ma'am.
Waiting to check in. Okay, now we're gonna transition
Same.
into the room.
It was-
1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
4037. 7 is my birthday.
Oh my god, this is meant to be.
In. Okay, this is the sitting area. This is the bed. And then this is the bathroom. This is the pool. And this is the bathtub.
Oh my god.
A view. I'm honestly super excited about the pool.
I was like,
This is what I want. This
I'm dying to sit on that.
home for the next 2 days.
Actually, we'll quickly grab lunch now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
a cool
is
mirror?
the mirror situation that I was waiting for. These are the mirrors I want.
You know, this is reminding me of my dance room in school. So dance rooms used to have like mirrors all around.
Yeah, and you used to dance on Chunari Chunari.
Used to be a great dance.
We have ordered the most cliche food: spring roll, aloo burger, fries. Guys, wontons we ordered. The most cliche lunch ever. Now it's time to eat. Deep fried, so good. First bite of the burger. Okay, Komal, that was nasty. You like it? Okay, average 1 to 10.
8.5.
Oh, like that good.
It's really good.
It basically reminds me of McDonald's, but in a restaurant. So it's like really comfort.
And bigger.
Guys, मैं आप लोगों को अपना सेटअप दिखाऊंगा. सबसे पहले I cannot believe मैंने अपने टी शर्ट पे एक स्टेन लिया है. Already it's gone. This t-shirt's over now. I can't wear it. But मैं यहाँ पे सेटअप अपना कर चुका हूँ. 2 तरह के परफ्यूम, शेविंग जेल सब आ चुका है. अभी मैडम का खा लिया है. यहाँ पे तो मुझे लगता है यहाँ तक घुसेगा ये. यहाँ पूरा और यहाँ पे भी आएगा. These are my cleaning cloths for my glasses. I always carry them. Okay, are you ready for the good news? What did you have a problem with when you came here? Come on!
Jet.
Yeah, they have it. The automatic pot has. You just need to press a button and then you can like
It
just.
just hits your.
Pretty sad about it, Kumar.
But it's not like you can't control it.
No, you just need to press and you can change the position.
Oh, cool. That's great.
Okay, I'm going to the pool. It's really cold.
Do it!
Wait. But great decision. This is what the best life looks like. Chop, he's doing. Guys, should I just do it on camera? What I'm gonna do right now? What? What, you have your what? Your heels? So I have just heard Komal speak to someone about my cake. I'm gonna now ask her, Komal, the cake has come. She doesn't know that I heard. Komal, the cake has come. Hasn't come. You're not getting me a cake. What else have you ordered? They are sending a cake. Oh, acha, it's that. मैं तो हूँ पागल. Yeah, absolutely. Correct. The hotel is sending, right? Absolutely. Madam is here. पसर चुकी है कोने में. केक आ गया है. केक आ गया है. Come. I'm in my underwear.
Pre-birthday.
Please don't mind me in my underwear, but this is how you sit in the room, right?
Oh my god.
So good.
It's really good.
It's super gooey and nice. कोमल ने guys पूरा केक खत्म कर दिया. कोमल, the napkins there, please wipe your mouth. It's brown.
Not brown.
गाइस कोमल यहाँ पे नहीं है. मैं उसका सूटकेस चेक करूंगा because उसने गिफ्ट. Oh shit, ये यहीं पे है. Oh.
Stop it! You can't look at the gift. Siddharth.
I'm just getting my pants. मैं ढूंढता हूँ.
ये रहा. ये लो. जाओ.
Listen, workout gear.
I know.
Come. कोमल तू क्या कर क्या रही है?
Working out. People would know this exercise.
Which exercise?
This? It's an arm exercise.
गाइस अब मैं गिफ्ट ना जबरदस्ती दूंगा और मैं फोर्स करूंगा. यार वो गिफ्ट दे दे प्लीज. हाँ? She's getting pissed off. She just said I can't have myself yell at you on my birthday. Guys, this is the suit you guys selected and this is what I'm gonna wear. I want to show you what I'm basically doing. I am trying to make this bed cozier. So I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So this is what it looks like right now. And this is what it looks like now. मैंने थोड़ी light reading lights ऊपर कर दी हैं. So I think it looks quite nice. अभी कोमल चिल्लाने वाली है कि मैं जब फोन पे बात करती हूँ तो मत तंग किया करो मेरे को. बदतमीज हूँ. I had to switch off the music. Now it's time to do my hair. I'm just gonna pull them back because that's how I want to do it. Komal has forgotten to get a beauty blender today. She has blended with her fingers.
I have forgotten all my makeup.
बहुत कंघी कर ली है. Okay. Yes. I'm fully done. I'm gonna wear my suit. My neck piece is stuck.
पाउडर से हो जाएगा ठीक. थोड़ा सा पाउडर में अगर ऐसे ऐसे करोगे तो वो हो जाएगा शायद.
Almost. Oh. Done.
Quickly tell me. Should I wear this or should I just chuck it?
I think you could chuck it. I like it how classy this looks. And that is my final look. Hero आ चुके हैं. Hero. Birthday. Happy birthday. Someone commented on my reel saying that if Sid's birthday and it's not a neon green suit, it ain't it. They were right.
Silver
Jewelry
and
people.
gold.
Okay, off we go. Bye. And we've reached.
Is yawning way to glory. I'm gonna have the whole wheat ravioli. I
The
love
front.
ravioli.
Ah, so let's do
I
that.
love ravioli.
This one, the first one.
Yeah.
You can do like a burrata starters.
ठीक है.
My old fashioned is here. Her wine is here. First sip of our drink. Come with me. Cheers. Cheers to pre-birthday.
You like the pizza? I really like it.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
Quite nice. I love
Just one for me, please. You can hardly see, but I'm trying the ravioli.
How's the ravioli, ma'am, sir?
Oh my god, it's so good. Thank you. Do you like it?
It's really, really nice. Really nice. Guys, ये gelato का थाल कोमल का आ चुका है. Komal's having all ice cream.
Shut up.
Chocolate, she has taken a bite to show, oh, I don't need chocolate.
Boo.
कोमल ने पूरा ravioli खत्म किया है. She's getting very aggressive, saying, "Can you watch me do this?" So let's watch her do this.
I've put bread, the ice cream.
What?
I'm gonna eat it.
Should I have pizza with vanilla ice cream? She has made a face at that. The one who has put bread into ice cream has made a face at me having pizza with vanilla ice
It's like
cream.
ice cream cake, bread and ice cream.
Ice cream cake, correct. I'm shook at how she's calling it ice cream cake. So I'm just going to your suitcase for the gift.
Yes, come in.
Komal, the box is literally out. So Komal, मैं देख चुका हूँ. It's a MacBook Pro.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Boo.
That was great. I got you space gray.
I was actually supposed to get a new laptop.
Thank you. Move it.
This is what Komal has done to my blazer. She just said shut up. But this is exactly what she's done. So guys, this is what a collective birthday looks like. मतलब मैं सामने खड़ा हूँ, मेरे फोन पे बात करिए, आप प्लीज बुके ले आइए, प्लीज केक ले आइए.
Yeah, because how do I do it? कि अब है रूम के अंदर तो मैं अब क्या करूँ? मुझे तो वैसे भी नींद आ रही है. मैं ऐसे विश करके बस सोने वाली हूँ.
This is my 12 o'clock outfit.
This 12 o'clock outfit, my 12 o'clock outfit.
मेकअप तो तेरा निकल चुका है ना, मेरे सूट पे ही तो आया है. लिपस्टिक तो वैसे ही निकल चुकी है. No surprise at all. I knew it was coming. But they look beautiful, man. One of my favorite flowers, hydrangeas. Peach roses, one of my favorite roses. Thank you for the surprise. I just got it. I didn't know there was a cake coming. I have to react. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you. Opening my own birthday cake.
Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you. I knew it. It's that cake. But I'll tell you
So I
something.
wanted to get the lemon and blueberry cheesecake because I know you love cheesecake.
No,
You
but
also
this
love
is like
lemon.
evergreen.
Mom,
But
it's
they,
tasted.
Happy birthday, my love. It's your day, not just today, but every day. So cute.
okay, it's gonna happen.
Unacademy Unwind with MTV.
Oh my god! Come. You have to cut it. Wait.
Okay, come.
So happen any moment. This one. Wow.
It's gone.
बहुत कम देर के लिए होता है ना इसी पे. Okay, come on.
Okay. Opening my birthday gift against Taylor Swift. Basically, मैं इससे already उगलवा चुका था. But the feeling of a new MacBook. Wait. I'm doing it. Yeah. Oh, you've gotten the darker grey, na?
Yeah, this face.
This is actually so much better.
I
have the
thought, like,
normal grey one.
I find this class.
ओ चार्जर भी दिया है. ओ केबल भी है. चार्ज भी होता है.
Thank you, baby.
Good morning, guys. Literally just woken up. Okay, I'm in like no state to even say anything, but it's the 7th. Happy birthday to me. It's time for breakfast. I've woken up at 11:30, but it's time for breakfast. Breakfast हमारा actually आ चुका है. So we're just going to eat that. Dosa. I ordered dosa. Setting up.
Doing our birthday breakfast.
Birthday breakfast dosa. I mean, basically what we want is what we are doing. Breakfast with a view. I was like North Indian, I really want to eat.
Since you're wearing the Lucknowi kurta, we have to order biryani. Have to.
I don't like
And you
biryani so
have
much.
to eat with your essay.
Because-
And I'll record. You wearing a kurta, having with your heart biryani. You have to.
This is the time where I'm doing nothing, literally nothing. I am just sitting, staring at the view, and this is literally what I wanted to do on my birthday. So I'm just glad that this is what I'm able to do. You know, these moments like these where you're just able to just feel really grateful and blessed for what you have. I don't know why we do this only on our birthdays, but we need to do this more often, right? But yeah, that's what it is. So thank you guys for giving me the life, for giving me and allowing me to be the person that I am, and I'm able to earn this for myself because of you guys. So thank you so much. I don't know, it's just like in the middle of the video, and I just want to thank you guys for it, because there's honestly, this life wouldn't have been possible without you guys. Just going down now. Today is the day where we don't want to do anything at
Show
all.
me also.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
We're just going down to chill. That's
Yes.
all. That's
And
all we
then,
wanna do.
And probably eat also after some time. There's so much height difference between us. To literally like be like, I'm here, look at me.
Kudo.
Wait, show them me. I'll stand थोड़ा दूर से ऐसे. Like this is our favorite spot to take pictures. This is where we take-
Beautiful. I just want to inform you that I have ordered a tomato and cheddar tart and a masala potato tart and an orange and almond cake और वो भी आने वाला है. This is known as a real diet. Thank you.
Looks yum.
You just did. Okay, guys, first bite needs to happen. This is what it looks like. Komal's papad has already come. Take some ketchup. Ketchup is required. ये तो खुल ही नहीं रहा.
कभी नहीं खुलता है वाला.
खुल गया.
Oh,
गया.
so strong. Yeah.
Komal, stop what you're eating. Just eat this, take one bite with the ketchup and fall back into heaven. It's divine, no? Now I'm trying Komal's palak patta chaat. Soggy हो गई है. और ही soggy हो गई है.
सही है ना.
But it's really good. And this is the orange and almond cake, which looks really nice. I wish the sponge was softer and like more spongy. It's a little dense.
It's not light.
It's heavy. I am doing my post-meal digestion walk. That is mandatory. And for all the people in the comment section asking where Komal is, that is Kim. Kim in the Kardashian mansion. कोमल, क्या तुम मुझसे शादी करोगी?
नहीं.
मेरे से शादी करोगी तुम?
नहीं.
इतना तुमने तलाक देना चाहता हूँ मैं तुम्हें. ये लो तुम.
How is it so lame? क्या है बूबू?
I was trying to be Mr. Bajaj from कसौटी जिंदगी की.
तलाक आफ्टर शादी होता है.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought Kim Kardashian and all that they do before, na?
Okay, enough.
Guys, I don't know how many of you find the sound of water really therapeutic and something like super calming. It's been half an hour now and I'm just listening to the sound of the water. Very calming. My outfit right now, we're just going for dinner to this place called Indian Accent. So I'm wearing these velvet pants, this white shirt with this little detail. I think it's beautiful and I'm just figuring out what jewelry to wear. I don't know. It's just strewn all over. Before we go down, just quickly showing you my outfit. Evil eye, evil eye, evil eye, evil eye. Okay, let me show you the other side. This is what I look like. Yeah, it's velvet. Just gonna open the tuck a little bit. I have the details here. This detail, I love this. What do y'all think? I know why this is the case. I never have light on me when we're out for dinners. But we've just arrived here and trust me guys, this place is stunning.
Roasted pineapple.
Okay.
And that's garlic buttermilk.
Okay, then, so, but before all of this, you put this first, right?
However you do
Whatever.
you can try. Usually what we recommend is have a puchka with half the water with one of these and half with one of these, so we got two different
Got
textures.
it. Got it. Okay.
Got it.
Thank you.
Thank you. There's a method apparently to eating this. We have just been
Which I'm
explained.
not going to follow.
Yeah, we'll just do our thing, obviously. I don't know if you can see, again the light is terrible, but 5 तरह की चटनी है, सब डाल रहे हैं. So waiting for the last one and then I'm gonna try it. Cheers. Dude, this is like divine. Guys, you guys have to come here. This is literally melt in your mouths. Literally. Yeah. This is apparently some kind of sorbet. Served very interestingly. It's in like a pressure cooker. Time to try it with the most rasterized video ever. Oh, it's damn good. so good.
Parmesan choo parathas goes with your.
That's interesting.
Oh, that's nice.
I actually really like this.
I like how it looks.
Yeah.
Jeera rice.
Very nice.
Wow.
Guys, it's the most famous chaat, Daulat ki chaat of this restaurant. You guys have to try it. It's very sweet, they've sent. So we're gonna try this chaat now. Just come back to this on our bed. Very cute. In towels ko हम उठा के अब use करेंगे to get into the pool. I think I am super full. I just want to pass out now. I think that's the plan. This is going to be a very, very short update. Bye. Good night. So it's checkout time for us, and I'm ironing what I'm gonna wear right now. I don't know how many of you would relate to this, honestly, but I find ironing stuff in a hotel room myself very calming and very therapeutic. I just enjoy doing it a lot. So I've been just ironing since like, I don't know, 20 minutes now. Probably more than that. And I'm loving it. आज सिड अली खान अपने कुर्ते में आए हैं. Very, very white, plain kurta. But guys, we have to leave. I'm just feeling so sad. Imagine this. We can't have this anymore. Okay, I need to do my hair. The car is here. हमें check out करना है and then off we go. We're thinking of just like grabbing something to eat on the way and then heading home. Birthday weekend over. Oh no. Off we go. Chalo. We're just gonna grab something on the way. Baby, are you sure you wanna go? Wow, I get no reply.
What do you see?
No, it's okay. Actually, I was just talking to myself. Quick stop at this restaurant we've reached. This is where we're sitting. Grammar Room is the name of the place. Beautiful, right? I'm having a raspberry sorbet. Very, very tasty, by the way. She's having an iced coffee. Once I mix the sorbet inside, it just tastes so much better. Of course, madam ice cream ले रही है मेरा. Okay, cookie dough, cookie milk. Yes. होठ रसीले तेरे होठ रसीले. And please बोल दो.
Nice.
Guys, now we're on our way home. I've had a great time and I've recorded way too much that I don't know how I'm going to edit this vlog. There's so much. This is the time for me to end this vlog. Just tell you that we had the most amazing time, as you can see. If you like this video and you want me to vlog more and more such occasions in my life, not just my birthday, just every day, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with anyone. We've done some amazing stuff. We've gone to such like nice chill places. So if you guys really like them, share it with someone you want to go there with. We've had the most amazing cookie with milk. We've stayed at such a nice, cute place. We've also gone to a place which does amazing Indian food. Okay, bye. Happy birthday to me.